the fuck? Bro, chat, I know this nigga did not just do that, bro.
Press play job, you dumb idiot, not quick.
Hold on, bro. I know this dumbass nigga did not, bro. I know this nigga did not, bro. Ain't no fucking way he did that, bro. Ain't no fucking way he did that, bro.
Yeah.
I know this nigga ain't do that, bro.
Ride with the mob. Alhamdulillah.
I know this nigga ain't do that, bro. What the fuck?
Oh shit! Mom!
Yo!
Oh my god, Mom! Mom!
What the?
Oh my goodness!
Yo, this nigga did not.
No!
Oh my god, is it a fire?
No, it's not!
Yes, it is!
It's not!
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know! I thought.
What the fuck? Why the fuck would he do that? Look at this big ass. Look at this big ass fire. Like, look how big this is. There's no way.
The dumbass shit people do for viewers.
I would never do. I would have got kicked out, bro.
Oh shit! Mom! Oh my god, Mom! Oh my goodness!
Bro, this nigga could have set his whole house on fire, bruh. What the fuck?
No!
Oh my god,
I hope the landlord
No,
kicks
it's
them out.
not!
yes, it is!
It's not!
What the fuck is you doing?
I didn't know! I thought.
And that, chat, is the exact reason why this nigga has 9 mil on YouTube, bro. Cause ain't no nigga in hell is doing that, bro. Chat. Bro, chat. Keep it a buck, chat. If you are a YouTuber, chat, and y'all in speed predicament, right? So say like y'all got everything speed got. Would y'all niggas do that in y'all mom's crib? I cannot. There's no fucking way, bro. Would y'all do that, chat? Keep it a buck, chat. Keep it a buck.
I hope the landlord kicked them out.
Yo, something is wrong with that nigga. They called the fire department? Oh, God. What the fuck? There's no fucking way, bro. I'm about to... Chat. Nah, it's like... Man, shit.
Go ahead and do it.
Chat, it's like...
We know you a wannabe speed.
It's a point you can do that, but like... Bro, that was a big ass firework, bro. Like, that was like something like huge, my nigga. Like, he didn't even pop like a... Like, you know how like how Castanet and Phantom was doing that shit? Like, they was doing like firecrackers. This nigga put like a big ass cherry bomb in it. Like, that's crazy. This nigga... Is he live? There's no way he's still live after that. It's no way. It's no way, bro. There ain't no way. I knew it. I was like, what happened? What happened? What happened at the end? What happened at the end?
Black cats.
Bro, chat, I'm gonna keep it so 100. Our parents would have whooped our ass, bro. What the fuck, bro? Chat, our parents would have beat the dog shit out of us, bro.
Speed be getting bricked up by transvestites just like you, monkey. You two idiots have a lot in common.
Bro, what the fuck, bruh? Is that it?
Engine 51. You can go ahead and make this for engine 51. And
Speed. What the fuck, bro?
And that's the reason you fell off.
Panhandle for engine 51 and truck 2 while wheeling.
What the fuck, bro?
Start where he was lighting it on stream.
Alright. There's no way he returns to this house. Chat. I can bet you my life and my soul that this nigga does not stream.
I want to see what happens. Start WHNE he light it on fire.
I bet. So what was this nigga thought process of lighting and shit?
Doesn't KSI seem cool?
What was his thought process of this shit, bro?
Crazy. One off! I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally. Damn, where the hell my big two?
Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom real quick. Let me call my mom. Chat, let's do that, chat. Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom. Let me do it. Let me call my mom. How about that? Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom. Let me call my mom and ask her. Let me call my mom and ask her myself, okay? Let me call my mom and ask her herself, all right? Let me call my mom and ask her. Let me just call my mom, all right? Let's see. Let's get her response. Yo, mom.
Don't call your mom.
Mom,
she busy.
can you hear me?
LOL.
What? I'm in the grocery store, come on.
Can you hear me? No, I'm asking her a serious question. Serious question.
What?
Look at the, all right, so look at the camera. Look at the camera. Mom, if I did this in the house, what would have happened? Look at the camera. If I did this in the house, what would have happened?
Don't call your mom, she got a mouthful right now.
You said what?
Stop!
Alright. Nah. Man. See, I'm trying to tell y'all, I would've got put out, bro. Damn, that's tough. Hey, shout out Speed, though. Hey, I hope everything's straight with that nigga. I ain't finna couch,